Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wells Fargo Rewards card to mobile banking. To connect your Wells Fargo Rewards card to mobile banking, begin by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your device. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, visit the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Wells Fargo. Once the app is open, log in using your existing Wells Fargo online banking credentials. If you don't have an account, select Enroll to create one and follow the prompts to set it up. After logging in, navigate to the Accounts section of the app. Here, you'll see a list of your existing accounts. Look for the option that says Add a card or link accounts. Select this option and then choose Credit Card from the available options. Enter your Wells Fargo Rewards card number and the requested personal information, such as your name and billing address. Once you have entered the required details, tap Continue or Next. You may need to verify your identity through a one-time passcode sent to your registered phone number or email. Check your messages for the verification code and enter it in the designated field on the app. Once your identity is verified, review the terms and conditions and agree to them to proceed. The app will then link your Wells Fargo Rewards card to your mobile banking account. After successfully linking your card, you should receive a confirmation message. Take a moment to ensure your card appears in your accounts list. Now, you can manage your Wells Fargo Rewards card directly from the mobile banking app. You can view transactions, make payments, and monitor your rewards points all in one place. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Wells Fargo's online support or contacting customer service for assistance. That's it. You're now connected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.